Hey people, so this is this little guy. My son has decided to name him Putin, and that little lady is Tara. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, Theo, but yeah, we call him Putin because I don't know, because he's a Soviet chinchilla, half a Soviet chinchilla, as is this lady, and she's half New Zealand variety. And I decided to do this video. This guy is staunchly looking the other way because I think he's it's the first time they're sitting on a swing. This boy is 35 days old, this girl is 50 days old, I'm told, and we got them from the Happy Rabbit Farm, this really nice place that is near Aminpur, that is probably let's say 20 kilometers from Kukatpalli. And yeah, so this is we've had 57 rabbits till now, and this is the first time. These are my 58th and 59th ones. I'm seeing rabbits sitting so peacefully on a swing, and for me it's a very big thing, so that's why I felt like I have to immediately do this recording. So yeah, rabbits can sleep with their eyes open, so I think that's what these little souls are doing. But yeah, lots of work to do. I'll peel some carrots, feed them, and yeah, that's my child studying. So yeah, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.